Good morning, welcome to another session with OCD. Welcome to my workshop. I've just given my car a maintenance wash this morning. I didn't bother filming it because it was just covered in a very light layer of dust. That's all it was. It wasn't really dirty, just a bit dusty, so I went over it quickly and give it a clean. But then I thought I would do a product specific video on the protection I'm going to put on, the detail spray if you like, that I'm going to put on. And as a side, I can't believe it, I'm out here filming, cleaning my car, there's not a builder in sight. No roads being dug up, no drives being dug up, no houses having work done. Can't believe it, amazing. Anyway, let's move on. So what am I using? I'm using a Soft99 product. Now anything that I've ever used from the Soft99 range has been outstanding. I've been really impressed with it. So I've seen no reviews on this, but I thought I'd give it a try. I saw it in the shop, so I thought I'd give it a try. Now this could go horribly wrong. I'm going to try and pronounce the name of it, but like I said, it could go horribly wrong. It looks like to me Fukupika. We'll call it Fukupika. I have no idea what it should say, but I'll get the spelling right in the video. Now this product, it says here, can provide durability for up to 6 months. Now that would depend on how you apply it. I haven't given my car a decon. All I've done is a maintenance wash, and this is going on top of an existing product, so I wouldn't expect it to last 6 months. So I can't give you an update on how it's doing in future months, because it hasn't had the correct preparation to give it the longevity that it boasts. But anyway, this is a spray on wipe off. You don't need to buff it, but you can do if you want to. I got this from County Detailing, and there's a little sticker been put on the back to give you some basic instructions, because everything else is in Japanese. And all it says is spray it on the car paint and spread across using a microfiber cloth. Now it's up to you, you can buff it afterwards, but there's no need to. So it's quite a quick product, and it's supposed to enhance the protection you've already got. So I thought, let's give it a try. Let's go and do it together. And very quickly you can feel that sort of flashes off or dries or whatever you want to call it. Feels quite smooth. That feels lovely and smooth. Now I'm going to buff it as well. You don't need to. Let's see if it feels any different. I'll buff the front half, or the back half should I say. Can't feel any difference at all. Can't see any difference. So I think it's absolutely right. If you want to buff it, you can do. If you don't want to, you don't have to, which makes it a very quick product to use. Now, without buffing off, you can see how well that's come up. So, if I buff half of that, makes no difference. Makes no difference to the feel. Makes no difference to the appearance. So, I think, you know, I don't think buffing is necessary at all. That's come up really nice. I really like that. Let's do a few bits more. You just can't get much easier than that, can you? What I like about it as well is obviously the cloth gets a little bit damp with it, and you can go around the black trim without having to spray anything and get overspray the window. It's a really quick, nice product. It's not hard work at all. I really like this. So there we go, quite a short video today on Soft99. I'll try and say this again, Fukupika Spray Advanced Strong Type, and it comes out a bit milky, a little bit like a liquid wax, but so easy to use, so easy. I really like it. I really recommend it. The car looks stunning, and it's so easy. You spray it, you give it a rub over, job done. You can buff it if you want, but I didn't get any advantage from buffing it. Absolutely lovely product. Really recommend it. I think County Detailing have got this on offer at the moment for about $7.99. I think the retail price normally is about, I don't know, just slightly under 11. So it's a really good product. For me, value for money. Can't comment on longevity because that, as I said earlier, it's gone on top of another product. If I'd have deconned the car and put that on, we could have measured the longevity of it. But as it's gone on a car that has just purely been washed, that would be unfair. But it says 6 months. I'm guessing a month, couple of months as it is. But I'll never know because I don't leave my car that long. So yeah, really recommend that, guys. Great product. So hope that's been of use to you. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.